What's going on in crypto isn't good, guys. A lot of you are going to look at what's been going on over the past 24 hours. You're going to be happy because you made some money. But when you really take a step back and you look at it, it's not great. Alrighty, everybody. Now, some people are going to completely disagree with me in this video, and that's fine. All of you, leave your opinions in the comment section. That is what it's there for, guys. All opinions are welcome. We can hash out our opinions, see if we can come to some sort of conclusion of what the hell is going on right now. You look at the general crypto market, for our altcoins, it seems like not much has really happened. Now, guys, I do want to say we're in the post-halving year. Okay, so a lot has happened. Bitcoin's at 100k. ETH hasn't really had its move, but you're seeing things like XRP, Solana up 20x. You know, Sui up multiple 10x's. Okay, a lot of these altcoins have made a move. Who got in on the Trump coin yesterday? Who got in? I'm in Europe. I was asleep. We always pay for being in Europe, guys, because we're on the other end of the clock. I'm going to read this from Credible. I mean, my opinion is that there was absolutely no need for him to do that. There was no need for him to make a meme coin. And if anything, you know, some people are saying it's net positive. I just think the risks outweigh the positives at this point. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section. But Credible said, don't think it affects this cycle per se. Rather, I think it's a sign of how out of touch of reality, or with reality, this space has gotten over the past 6 to 12 months with the meme coin frenzy. Thinking that you can just come in and become rich with meme coins, or just infinitely trade new meme coins, and you're so smart because, you know, you've traded successful meme coins 80% of the time. Now, the president of the US launching a meme coin while holding back 80% of the supply for the team, charging 1% tax. Many of you guys won't even give a fuck about that, but he's taxing all of you guys for every transaction of 1%. It's high, okay? It's a blatant cash grab. Exchanges don't even do 1% tax. If they did, you guys would be pissed. The coin has hit multi-billions in market cap within hours of launch. This event solidifies that we're seeing a modern tulip mania. And as crazy and irrational as it may get in the coming months, we all know how it ends. We all know how it ends, guys. Okay, so I'm not like trying to be bearish or anything, but I think that it is important for all of us to like see what is being presented to us. Like, it's slapping us in the face. Now, the only pro that's come out of this, obviously they have a vested interest in promoting and supporting crypto. So things like getting a Bitcoin strategic reserve should be inevitable. All these sort of things should be inevitable, which, like, short to mid-term is going to be good, guys. But we are getting into the crazy time of the market. And I can guarantee the end of the year, maybe 2026, we're going to look back and we're going to go, Hoktur made a meme coin. Butthole, arse coin, fart coin, dick butt coin were all outperforming the market. The president of the United States of America made a meme coin. That was an obvious top signal. That was obvious that we're getting overheated. That's obvious that we're getting near the top. It's the same thing every time, guys. And just further on from that, I'm not going to spend too much time on it, but the Trump meme coin's not as great as people think. Imagine what it will do to the hype around Trump's impact on crypto if it fucking nukes. If Trump's crypto absolutely wipes out all of these people, then what's going to happen? All of this bullish stuff around Trump's going to save crypto, Trump's going to do this, Trump's going to do that, it's going to be eradicated within the space of however long it takes for the crypto to nuke. People are not going to trust in. The credibility is going to be in the floor. Okay, nobody is going to put any weight into what Trump does because he just launched a meme coin that's gone to zero. So what does he really know about crypto, right? That's how people are going to see it. Trump is this cycle's Elon. How much of a pull does Elon have? Elon can tweet about Doge. It basically does nothing to the price these days. Now, with all of that serious stuff out the way, I'm sorry, I'm extremely tired today. So I apologize that I'm talking slow. But Bitcoin super trend just flipped bullish. Let's fucking go. What happened last time we flipped bullish? We saw immense rallies, 100% rally to the new local high. Okay, I do think we're trying to target 120k. We'll look at our trading view in just a sec. But then you're seeing things like Sol start to pump, guys. Now, I think this was because of the trading volume through the Trump meme coin, people buying and selling Sol, that like really pushed that motherfucker up today. Cup and handle target 4.7k. Is Sol getting that high? Regardless if it gets that high or not, February has been a strong month for altcoins in both 2023 and 2024. Could altcoins enjoy a strong February for the third year in a row? If so, altcoins could be close to their lowest hype areas before proceeding upside over the coming weeks. We are here. Now, this is what I'm keeping my eyes on for Bitcoin, guys. I need Bitcoin to please hold that 102.5k over the next 24 hours, over the weekend. If we dip back down, this was a fake out bull trap, that's not going to be looking too good. Then we need to be breaking between 106 and 108k. So we can even go and mark that up, guys. And we can say the next sort of zone of interest is going to be here that we do need to be breaking. Okay, so for Bitcoin, hold this, break this. Going to be a big level of resistance here, guys. Okay, there's going to be a lot of supply at this time because you saw how sharp we did reject in the previous attempt. Now, Bitcoin to ETH looks absolutely disgusting. I don't even know what to do with ETH anymore, guys. You know, all we can do is hold, waiting for this thing to show a reversal. It is just not showing any signs of reversal soon. However, institutions are buying. The ETF inflows still outweigh the ETF outflows. It just reminds me of XRP. So again, this is why I'm not selling my ETH bags. ETH is probably like the most hated coin on crypto Twitter at the moment. I like to inverse crypto Twitter 9 times out of 10, right? Everybody down here is saying ETH is a shit coin. It is going to zero. It's never going to make any returns. I think there's too much money in ETH for that to happen, guys. I think it's a matter of time before we reverse. We're going to find out soon. And I mean, like I say, look at the macro charts, guys. If you saw this on like the 5-minute chart, you'd be like, oh my God, we've got to get ready to like front run the long. Okay, once we get to this neckline of this massive head and shoulders that we're in, you know, we're going to be having targets of around 5k. But it looks like we're slowly grinding out this part of the right shoulder, which is great. Could be grinding it out for the next month. Come to the total 3, guys, and we're trying to break out. We're trying to break out. We may break out soon, we may not. Only time is going to tell. If we do get rejected, we're going to be targeting that 888 billion again at the 100 MA. But for now, we haven't had too much of a sharp rejection. I think it's going to try and make a decision time over the next day. If we print some sort of like bull flag and then we go into next week, that's going to be fantastic. That could be really great for our alts. Obviously, we've only got, what, less than 7 days now until the inauguration. So yeah, a bit more of a serious one today. You guys let me know what your opinions are on the whole Trump fiasco. Is it a top signal? Have there been many top signals? Was Fartcoin pumping to multi-billions a top signal? You guys let me know in the comments. If you made it as far, support my journey to 15k subs by smashing that subscribe button. I'm seeing you in the next video, gang. Peace.